Hello, I'm Skylar Moreau, and today I'm going to teach you how to connect a wireless microphone and a handheld microphone to a Canon DSLR camera. Using a microphone can greatly increase your video quality, and it's really easy to set up. Your camera should have a charged battery and SD card in it. First, we'll start with the handheld microphone. The first thing to check is to make sure the receiver is turned on and has batteries in it. Next, you need to turn on the microphone box and attach the mic by lining up the 3 prongs with the holes. Listen for the click and make sure this has batteries in it as well. Set the mic and the receiver to the same channel. Then, plug in the receiver to the microphone jack on the camera. Attach the receiver to your pocket or on a piece of clothing. Finally, hit record and speak into the microphone. Moving on to the wireless lavalier microphone. The first step in using the wireless lavalier is again to make sure the receiver is on the same channel as the mic. Be sure the receiver is plugged into the camera. Attach the microphone to your shirt and speak into it for great quality sound. It's super easy to use these microphones, and I hope this video was helpful.